Andalou Naturals, Argan Stem Cell, Thinning Hair System, Age Defying, 3-piece kit. Product Overview Description. Fruit Stem Cell Science Non-GMO Project Verified Nature 98% Derived Verified Gluten-Free Vegan Cruelty-Free Beauty is You. Kit contains Argan Stem Cell Shampoo 11.5 ounces, 340 milliliters Argan Stem Cell Conditioner 11.5 ounces, 340 milliliters Argan Stem Cell Scalp Intensive 2.1 ounces, 62 milliliters. Do you answer yes to one or more common hair concerns? Does hair appear fine, dull or weak, with more in your brush? Do you want more strength, body and volume for fullness? Do you notice a receding hairline, thinning crown, or a wider part? Does your scalp producing excessive oil or dry, flaky build-up? Do you want to optimize the healthy scalp growth cycles? Maintaining a clean scalp and conditioned strands can help. Fortifies hair fibers against cuticle damage and split ends. Amplifies hair texture and body for thicker, fuller hair. Strengthens strands to reduce breakage and hair fall. Stimulates scalp and uplifts follicles for unobstructed growth. Nourish for softer, smoother, shinier hair from root to tip. Argan Stem Cell Thinning Hair System. With Phytocell Argan stem cells for a clean, exfoliated scalp and uplifted follicle vitality for stronger, thicker strands, less breakage and reduce hair fall. Argan oil nourishes and conditions for flexible core strength, smooth texture and improved manageability. The result is noticeably fuller looking hair with amplified body, volume and shine. Andalou Naturals definition of thinning hair. Fine, dry, brittle strands. Breakage and hair fall. Lack of body and volume. Suggested use. Step 1, Age Defying Shampoo. To use, apply to wet hair, massage to clean and exfoliate scalp. Rinse thoroughly. Step 2, Age Defying Conditioner. To use, apply to clean, wet hair, working from ends up, and rinse. Style as usual. Step 3, Age Defying Scalp Intensive. To use, daily. Part dry or towel dry hair into equal sections, apply a few drops to scalp and massage gently. Style as usual. Apply again before bed for overnight benefits. Optimum benefit with regular use. Gentle and color safe. Other ingredients. Shampoo, shampooing. Aloe barbadensis leaf juice, purified water, aqua, sodium lauryl oil sarcosinate, cocamidopropylbeta sodium olefin sulfonate, vegetable glycerin, fruit stem cells, argan, Malus domestica, solar vitis, and bioactivate berry complex, Argania spinosa, argan, corn oil, vitamin B complex, biotin, thiamine, pyridoxine, niacin, riboflavin, panthenol, hydrolyzed rice protein, hair regeneration complex, Tussilago farfara, colt's foot, leaf extract, Achillea millefolium, yarrow, flower extract, cysteine, Glyciosa glabra, licorice, root extract, Equisetum arvens, horsetail, extract, Spirea ulmaria, meadowsweet, flower extract, hydrolyzed soy protein, Simongiginensis, jojoba, seed oil, Linum musitatissimum, flax, seed oil, Baurago officinalis, borage, seed oil, Amidianthecone, Camellia sinensis, white tea, leaf extract, hibiscus subderiva flower extract, tocopherol, allantoin, polyquaternium 10, sodium benzoate, lactic acid, potassium sorbate, ethylxylglycerin, sandalwood isolates, citrus grandis, grapefruit, betel oil, Cedrus atlantica. Cedarwood, bark oil, Cananga odorata, ylang ylang, flower oil. Conditioner. Aloe barbadensis leaf juice, purified water, aqua, vegetable glycerin, cetyl alcohol, stearyl alcohol, bihydramonium chloride, Argania spinosa, argan, corn oil, fruit stem cells, argan, Malus domestica, solar vitis, and bioactivate berry complex, Simongiginensis, jojoba, seed oil, vitamin B complex, biotin, thiamine, pyridoxine, niacin, riboflavin, panthenol, glyceryl stearate, hydrolyzed rice protein, Hair Regeneration Complex, Tussilago farfara, colt's foot, leaf extract, Acalia millefolium, yarrow, flower extract, cysteine, Glycia glabra, licorice, root extract, Equisetum arvens, horsetail, extract, Spirea ulmaria, meadowsweet, flower extract, hydrolyzed soy protein, Linum usitatissimum, flax, seed oil, Baurago officinalis, borage, seed oil, Amidianthecone, Camellia sinensis, white tea, leaf extract, hibiscus subderiva flower extract, tocopherol, sodium benzoate, lactic acid, potassium sorbate, ethylxylglycerin, sandalwood isolates, citrus grandis, grapefruit, betel oil, Cedrus atlantica, cedarwood, bark oil, Cananga odorata. Ylang ylang, flower oil. Scalp intensive. Aloe barbadensis leaf juice, purified water, aqua, vegetable glycerin, panthenol, xanthan gum, sodium alginate, algin, fruit stem cells, argan, Malus domestica, solar vitis, and bioactivate berry complex, Argania spinosa, argan, oil, vitamin B complex, biotin, thiamine, pyridoxine, niacin, riboflavin, hydrolyzed rice protein, hair regeneration complex, Tussilago farfara, colt's foot, leaf extract, Acalia millefolium, yarrow, flower extract, cysteine, Glycia glabra, licorice, root extract, Equisetum arvens, horsetail, extract, Spirea ulmaria, meadowsweet, flower extract, hydrolyzed soy protein, polysorbate 20, Linum usitatissimum, flax, seed oil, Baurago officinalis, borage, seed oil, Camellia sinensis, white tea, leaf extract, hibiscus subderiva flower extract, phenethyl alcohol, ethylxylglycerin, sandalwood isolates, citrus grandis, grapefruit, betel oil, Cedrus atlantica, cedarwood, bark oil, Cananga odorata, ylang ylang, flower oil. Certified organic ingredients, fair trade ingredients. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.